Problem 37, graph the function f of x equals to 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 1. Include the horizontal asymptote in your graph. This is a question about transforming exponential functions. So one thing you may want to know for sure is how to draw the toolkit functions for when you have an exponential function, the graph of 2 to x. And you should be familiar with 3 points on the graph. When x equals to 0, when x equals to 1, and when x equals to negative 1. 2 to 0 is 1. So this is going to be on the graph. Two to 1 is going to be 2. That's going to be on the graph. And 2 to negative 1 would be 1/2. So negative 1, 1/2 is going to be also on the graph. So these are the 3 points on the graph. And then if you're familiar with the shape of an exponential function, you would have no difficulty drawing the graph. And then the rest is standard transforming. So wherever I see x, replace x by x minus 1. That's going to cause a horizontal shift to the right by 1 unit. And when I replace the x by x minus 1, then I will get 2 to the x minus 1. I'm moving in the direction, the correct direction. And the corresponding points would be nothing happens vertically. This is a horizontal transformation. And horizontally, I'm moving the graph to the right by 1. So I'm going to add 1 to each of those x coordinates, horizontal coordinates. And the question says include the horizontal asymptote in your graph. So maybe we should put that information here as well. The horizontal asymptote was y equals to 0, and horizontal asymptote will stay y equals to 0. I'm shifting the horizontal asymptote to the right, but it will stay the same, right? It's a horizontal line. And then what we're going to do is replace the whole thing, 2 to x minus 1, by 2 to x minus 1 plus 1, which will result in a vertical shift up by 1 unit, and y equals to, so wherever I see 2 to x minus 1, I'm going to write 2 to x minus 1 plus 1. And the corresponding points will be nothing happens horizontally. But all the y coordinates, I'll be adding 1. So 3 over 2 is 1 over 2 plus 1, 2, and 3. And the horizontal asymptote is affected. I'm shifting it up by 1. And then what I can do is I can mark those points. 0, 3/2. So that 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/2 is 1.5 is here. 1, 2. And 2, 3. And horizontal asymptote is y equals to 1. And my graph after those transformations will look like that. Don't forget to label your points. And let me check if the answer key is correct. different points were taken on the answer key, but that's fine. We have 2 of those points in common. And you don't need 4 points. 3 points are enough to determine the shape of the exponential function. And I would also expect you to write the equation of the horizontal asymptote along with labeling of the points.